Hi everyone. Tonight we're going to be making Parmesan upside down baked potatoes. So what all goes into Parmesan upside down baked potatoes? 7 red potatoes washed and cut in half. 2 to 3 tablespoons butter, I have unsalted. 6 tablespoons shredded Parmesan cheese. Garlic powder. Sea salt, I have just regular salt. Freshly cracked pepper, and I have ground black pepper. So let's begin. First step is to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. While the oven is heating up, we'll go ahead and cut the potatoes in half. And they've been already washed. And we're going to go ahead and stick a 9x13 glass pan with the butter into the oven to melt it. So the butter is melted, and we're going to add the 6 tablespoons of Parmesan on top of the butter. And then sprinkle garlic powder, and pepper. And salt. And then you're going to take your half of a red potato and put it face side down, cut side down, on the butter and cheese. And then you want to go ahead and sprinkle the 3 seasonings on top of the potatoes. So the garlic powder, and the salt. And the pepper. And then you want to go ahead and put it in a 400-degree oven for 40 to 45 minutes or until the potatoes are done. So the potatoes are fresh out of the oven. Now you need to let them sit for 5 minutes before serving. So the Parmesan upside down baked potatoes are done. Don't they look good? And rounding off the meal is a maple mustard corned beef. I'll go ahead and get my husband to give it a taste test.
That's good. I like that, whatever makes it crunchy there.
It's Parmesan upside down baked potato.
Oh, okay. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.